to my channel. This is Uterefon. Today I'm going to show you how you can prepare catfish pepper soup, and this is all the ingredients I'm going to be using on this pepper soup. I have finished grating my ginger. This is my ginger. You grate it with your grater, and this is my parsley leaf, and this is my seasoning cube, my red pepper, my ground red pepper, and my fresh red pepper and green pepper. And this is my crayfish, and this is my pepper soup spicy. This is my onion, and this is my salt, and this is my catfish. This is my catfish, which I'm going to be using for this pepper soup. So stay tuned. So I'm going to wash my catfish now. So I will wash and remove the blood out. Hot water. I'm going to add hot water to it. The reason I had this hot water so that when I cook it, it will not break or scatter. So I will not put it too long. I'm going to rinse the water out, remove the hot water, then I'll put cold water. So transfer your catfish into your pot. So the next thing is going to be your ginger. The ginger that I grated, I put water to filter out the chaff from the ginger. So next is going to be my onion. So I'm just going to put my onion inside. And my nut cube. I'll put my pepper. Be careful of the pepper you put. If you're the type that doesn't like pepper, so you don't need to add so much. So I'm gonna stir it together. You have to be careful when you stir it so that the fish will not break into pieces. So I'm going to add my salt now. So my salt. I'm going to add my pepper soup spicy. And I will add my crayfish. Try to mix it together inside the pot. It's always good to put everything when the water is not yet boiled, when the pepper soup water is not yet boiled, so that the fish will not break out. So now I'm going to cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm going to put my parsley leaf. So I'm just going to let it boil for like 3 minutes, then I will take it down. So my pepper soup is ready. So I'm going to serve it now. So guys, my catfish pepper soup is ready. As you can see, it's very simple to make and it's very delicious. If you've not tried it, please do so. And thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. So if this video is helpful, useful to you, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.